Welcome to the first edition of Q-Tips, a new series of quick how-tos for navigating the member portal of the Quechee Club website. Today we will look at how to find events on the club calendar as well as how to register. Visit quecheeclub.com and select Member Login in the top right corner. Enter your member number and password and click Sign In. If this is your first time logging into the member portal, your password will be the same as your member number. Upon login, you will be instructed to set a new password. Please note passwords are case sensitive, so if you are having trouble logging in, check that the caps lock on your keyboard is not on. The quickest route to the club calendar from the member homepage is within the left column navigation. The default view is upcoming events, but you can change the view between day, week, month, or upcoming. Clicking on any calendar item will open an overview window. For event specifics, including how to register, click the View Details button. If you know the name of the event but are unsure of the date, you can search for it by entering the name of the event in the search field. If your search produces no results, extend the date range criteria. Once you have located the event you want to register for, click on the name to open the registration window. Event details are listed at the top of the window, including the time and location. The registration window defaults to self-registration. If you are registering for just yourself, click Create Reservation, and your reservation is complete. You can add others to your reservation in two ways. The first is to check the box Adults and Children/Guest and enter the appropriate numbers there. The other way is to click the plus sign and either leave as guest or search for another member. To complete the process, click Create Reservation. Once you've completed the registration process, you will receive a confirmation email from the club. Finally, if you would like to see who else has already registered, click Reservation List.